Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at how to clean clogged fuel injectors. Clogged fuel injectors, unlike dirty fuel injectors which reduce fuel flow, they totally prevent fuel flow through them. So this is a very tough problem. When the fuel injector is clogged, absolutely no fuel passes through. That is the difference it has with a dirty fuel injector. Now for this particular engine, the engine was not driven for a long period. It has been years since the engine has been started. That has led to the fuel injectors to get clogged. So in order to clean, we have to remove the injector. Injector with the rail is removed. To do that, we have to disconnect the fuel pressure regulator. You have seen disconnecting the fuel pressure regulator. And now the fuel injector can be maintained. Now there are symptoms when there is an engine that is having clogged fuel injectors. There are some characteristics that are exhibited by the engine. Engine will run very rough. One or multiple of the cylinders are not firing properly, so that will cause rough running. The engine does not make power, and engine does not start in some cases, and we will have bad emission, and we do have bad fuel consumption if the injectors are clogged in an open position. Why do fuel injectors get clogged? Fuel injectors become clogged due to hydrocarbons. It could be due to sediments and other foreign elements in the fuel. Especially these days, most of the fuel contain ethanol. Ethanol by nature, it is a hygroscopic, which means it draws moisture from the air into the fuel. Now, when this water gets into the fuel, when it is trapped inside the fuel due to some fuel filter problem, that will cause internal component rust. Residue from the rust gets into the fuel injectors, and it will prevent the injector needles from playing when it is powered with battery voltage. Now that is exactly what happened to our engine. Now the problem with a clogged fuel injector is it cannot be cleaned with a traditional method of cleaning dirty fuel injectors. Now if you want to clean a dirty fuel injector, you will supply pressurized fuel to the inlet side, and then you power the injector. That will allow the cleaning fluid to flow through the fuel injector, and then the injector will be restored to normal spraying position. The problem with clogged fuel injectors, they cannot be done in a similar fashion. So for example, you can have a look at this comparison. The first injector that we are going to install on this demonstration is a normally running fuel injector. As you can see, when it is powered with a battery voltage, we have used a 9-volt dry cell. When it is powered with battery voltage, you see a clicking sound. That clicking sound indicates that the needle is playing. So if you supply it with a pressurized cleaning fluid from the back, then it will be cleaned thoroughly. For injectors that are removed from our engine, they do not exhibit a similar property. When they are powered with battery voltage, nothing happens. No click, nothing. You don't hear any click, which indicates that the needles are clogged. But in order to make sure that the needles are clogged, make sure that there is a continuity on the wire. Check the continuity of the wire. If there is a discontinuity, if there is no current flow, obviously you would not expect a clicking sound from the injectors. Now, how can you make these injectors to be functional again? The best practice is to soak them in a penetrant. We have used a carburetor cleaner. Spray them, then soak them for a little while and wait and check it again a little later. If that didn't solve the problem, then what we did was we tap the fuel injectors so that the rust can become loose and the needle can start playing again. For this cleaning, we have used a normal locally available carburetor cleaner, and we have used a tire valve. The tire valve with the needle removed, cap drilled to allow the spray tube to pass through. Make sure it is a firm or tight fit. If there is some loose, because the pressurized carburetor cleaner will plop back at you. Now, no matter how hard we try on the first phase, you can see no matter how hard we try, the fuel cleaner will come back to us. So what we did is we tap to free the needle. After continuous tapping on the back, tapping on the side of the fuel injector, make sure that you do it gently, then we have finally succeeded to free the needle, and finally fuel injection is restored. All 4 injectors have been repaired in a similar fashion, so if you have clogged fuel injector, you can gently repair in a similar fashion. We have started to check with a 9-volt battery, which didn't go well as planned. Then we proceeded to supply the injectors with a 12-volt battery supply. Because they are badly stuck, nothing happened.
Katıl.
And finally, when installing, make sure that you have lubricated the O-ring. If you are planning to reuse them, make sure they get lubricated with some engine oil so that they can slide in freely. And make sure that the injector holding locks are in position so that the injectors will be kept in place. After that, you are good to go. As you can see, we have successfully cleaned all the 4 fuel injectors, and then we are left with installing it on the vehicle and then starting the engine. And well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this presentation. We hope you have enjoyed looking at it. This is a very simple method of cleaning a clogged fuel injectors. So if you happen to have engines that has been stopped for a long time, if you happen to have a fuel injector that has been clogged due to residue, moisture, some kind of sediment inside the fuel, this is a very simple way of trying to fix it. This is a very simple technique. You can use it at home, and this is a very simple procedure. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed, please smash the like button. If you are new here, do consider subscribing so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another vehicle related video. Till then, stay safe.